Okay, so number 2 piston is in line with the top here. Number 3 piston is not going all the way to the top. So there's a problem there. Maybe it hit a bearing or something. Look there, it's not even moving in line with number 2 piston. So I'm going to remove the engine, take out the pistons and check what's happening there. Okay, sump is off. Look at all the shavings in there. So it's obviously a bearing knock because there's pieces of copper there. Motherfuckers never put a bearing in here. No bearing whatsoever. Nothing here. Inside, nothing. Okay, so there's no fucking bearing on the piston at all. On the conrod. Nothing. They literally put it without bearings.